Unboxing and the first use of Ganesh adjustable plastic vegetable slicer. The product comes in its brand promo packing. Let's open and see what is inside. There is a plastic cover in which the slicer is put into the promotional card packing. That is the vegetable holder, which actually keeps our fingers protected from the cutting edge of the blade. Knob brings an adjustable feature, and by twisting it the slice thickness can be adjusted from 1 mm to 5 mm, making the slices useful for a wide range of recipes. From thin potato slices for fries to onion rings, cucumber, carrots or beetroot slices for eye-catching salads. A wonderful attachment, and I simply loved it. Attempting to make some potato slices for deep frying in my Philips air fryer.